we'll guide you through how to factory reset an Apple Watch. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you want to go and give the watch away, or you want to go and sell it, and therefore you want to remove everything including your Apple account from it as well. So to go and get started with this, what we need to do is we're going to come onto our iPhone. So on your iPhone, you need to go and open up the Watch app. As you can see, here it is. If you're struggling to find it, drag down and you can search for it. In Watch, you then need to go down to the bottom and select My Watch over to the left, and you can go to the top left and go and click on All Watches. You'd see your watch here, and you want to click on the eye to the right. On this page, you'll see some important information about your watch, but come to the bottom and it will go and say, Unpair Apple Watch. Tap there, and you can then go and confirm your decision like so. To start the process as well, you need to go and enter in your Apple account password. When you're ready, you can press Unpair in the top right, and the process is now going to go and begin. As you can see, it's now unpairing. This might take a while. You can see the circling symbol. And it now says, bring iPhone near Apple Watch as it's been factory reset. It's now ready to be used on another device or given away. If you found this useful, then leave a like.